In this tutorial, we'll go over how to create a department. First step would be to go to Users on the left-hand side, followed by clicking on Departments. Once you're in the Department tab, you want to click on the Create a Department button, which will populate a form to set up the department. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use HR, followed by adding a main user or main contact for this department, their email, and then also a phone number. After that, you'll have user settings. The first option will set up how many times a user can log in with the wrong password before it suspends the account, requesting a password reset or administrative correction. Afterward, you'll have the storage settings, how much storage within the interface this department will have. Under that, you'll see campaign settings within this. So how many seconds by default each piece of content will be. We default to 30 seconds, but depending on your use case, you can have a department default to any increment you wish. Followed by the max file size. We have it set here at 350 meg. The last portion of this will be what type of layouts, the look and feel, what types of content types, so what sections that department can access, along with locations. So in this scenario, we'll select the 4-section layout, let them access side banner, and we'll do that inside of building 3. We'll go ahead and click save, and we have now successfully created a department. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're always here to help you via phone, chat, or ticket support.